Fender moldings often take a lot of wind, dust, and debris from whatever the road throws at them. At one point, they may be corroded, damaged, or even just missing altogether. When that happens, you'll be happy you chose us for your authentic reproduction. Hey, I'm Dennis, and welcome back to our OPGI product feature powered by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Today we're going to be looking at our 1968 Chevelle and El Camino Fender moldings. Our Fender moldings are sold as a pair for a complete set. The moldings mount to the front edge of the fender, starting at the headlight bezel, then run down to the wheel well. They're manufactured from stamped aluminum using case-hardened steel tooling. This ensures an accurate part every time. At the end of the production, our moldings are finished with a bright dip coating for protection. The anodizing aluminum protects it from oxidation and corrosion, so you can count on your part looking good for miles on end. In addition, we also include the correctly located mounting studs and tabs for a straightforward installation. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.